my name's Stuart Clark. I'm a rep within BALPA's Flight Safety Department, and I'll be talking to you today about the BALPA Most Wanted item, Unmanned Aircraft Systems, or drones. Over recent years, drones have become increasingly popular both commercially and in the leisure sector. BALPA has worked for many years to ensure that drones are integrated safely into our airspace. BALPA's long-running drone campaigning and lobbying has helped to ensure changes in the law to prohibit the flying of drones near airports. However, we're not resting on our laurels. We know that any collision with an aircraft is potentially serious, and with drone use continuing to increase, the threat posed by a drone strike cannot be ignored. Research commissioned by BALPA in 2016, in collaboration with the Department for Transport and the Military Aviation Authority, confirmed just how dangerous such a collision could be. We're particularly concerned in the case of helicopters, which often operate at low level in the same airspace as drones. We know that an impact with a tail rotor is likely to be catastrophic. For commercial fixed-wing aircraft, the risk of collision due to a drone being illegally operated close to airports has not abated. BALPA is also alert to the potential for multiple drones being sucked into both engines of a twin jet shortly after takeoff. This might be thought of as the Sullenberger scenario, but where the engine damage is caused not by a flock of birds, but by the ingestion of drones simultaneously into both engines. Remember that during what came to be known as the Miracle on the Hudson, the aircraft struck a flock of birds at 2,800 feet. If such engine damage occurs below 1,000 feet altitude, as might happen in the case of a drone strike near an airport, this could lead to total hull loss and a significant number of fatalities. We believe that the threat of drones needs addressing and are calling for more collision testing, a better understanding of the threat, education for those who fly drones recreationally or commercially, enforcement of drone laws and tight regulations to protect all airspace users. We believe that, as well as the usual bird strike testing requirements, regulators should develop drone strike testing requirements for aircraft and jet engines. Aircraft need to be designed to be more drone impact resilient, and drones should be designed so that impact energy is dissipated by the drone's structure. Many media articles looking at the future of aviation predict widespread use of autonomous aircraft and artificial intelligence in the years to come. While we may be some years away from pilotless passenger jets, we're already seeing drones considered for deliveries and many other applications. The lack of pilots on board will need to be compensated for by automated systems, which could detect and avoid other aircraft and avoid hazardous situations. These technologies are still being developed and are far from proven. There are currently no technologies which allow detect and avoid of dangerous atmospheric phenomena such as turbulence. BALPA will continue to campaign for the implementation of effective procedures such as airborne separation standards, so that drones and manned aircraft can share the airspace safely. A final thought on autonomous aircraft and artificial intelligence. How does the law deal with issues of commander's authority and responsibility where fully autonomous aircraft are concerned? If something goes wrong with an autonomous aircraft and there's a fatal accident, is the owner, the operator, or the equipment manufacturer liable? Will we see software engineers in the dock as the result of an aircraft accident involving an autonomous aircraft? BALPA is hugely supportive of the evolution of the UAS industry in the UK, with the many opportunities and benefits it will bring. However, this must happen in a way that allows manned and unmanned aircraft to share the skies as safely as possible. You can help us by continuing to report your encounters with drones in as much detail as possible. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us by mostwanted@balpa.org.